Welcome to our tech solution. Today I am going to show you how to change Windows Administrator password using command method. Not need current password. Easy and simple way. Okay, let's go do this.
Tech solution.
At fast type Windows plus R key. Then you see a new window. And type this window box. CMD. And press enter. Now you see command window. I am change just text color. This not needed for you. Then you type net user. And press enter. You select administrator. Name. And press enter. And press enter. You see this. Just type your new password and press enter. I type my password. Then one more confirmed your new password and press enter. Okay. This successfully added. If you want test this, just type Windows plus L key. If you have any problems for this video, just type your comment in comment below. Thanks for watching. Get more video views and subscribers our YouTube channel.